93.2% of Americans have metabolic dysfunction. Ultra-processed food, which was 60% of our diet, are really the drivers of so much inflammation in our body. Do a short-term reset with an elimination diet, an anti-inflammatory diet that supports your microbiome, that lowers your blood sugar, that gets rid of all the excess inflammation in your body.
Do you do it one at a time or everything together?
No, everything together. If you're allergic to gluten and dairy, or you have sensitivity to gluten and dairy, and you take out gluten, you're not going to get 50% better because you're still reacting to dairy.
Right.
So this diet is really a way to reset everything. So it's basically protein, veggies, lots of good fats, nuts and seeds, berries, whole foods, delicious, non-deprivation diet, not a calorie restriction diet. You can eat as much as you want. And what happens is in 10 days is remarkable in terms of inflammation. Not only do people lose a ton of fluid and weight and inflammation, but they have a reduction in all symptoms from all diseases by between 60 and 70%. Whether there's a migraine or irritable bowel or depression or joint pain or headaches or whatever it is, congestion, sinus issues,